Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And I'm going to be trying Coastal Snacks barbecue flavored potato chips, very big bag, 1.2 ounces for I think it was $2.99 at Grocery Outlet. This is their house brand, home brand, and 140 calories per serving, 18 servings per container, 1 ounce servings. I can't read how much potato chips in an ounce. So here we go. I've already opened the bag. I'm going to find a really big chip here to try. There ain't no such thing. All right, here's a chip. And you can see the texture. It doesn't look like a Lay's. It looks different. It says sunflower oil, potatoes, cottonseed oil, barbecue seasoning, dextrose, onion powder, MSG. Why does everybody put MSG in everything? Molasses, paprika, tomato powder, garlic powder, spices, natural smoke flavor, paprika, chili, and citric acid. So, very crunchy, very tasty. Kind of sweet, not overpowering, not spicy. And I'd forgotten that I did munch on these a little bit before the bus came. I ate the tacos. I was still starving, so I apologize. But these are good. And you get a lot of potatoes for $3. You get a lot more than you get in Lay's. So yeah, I give this my. There we go. Finally, a big chip. I'll eat the last thing here, the big chip. Get my sign of approval, these chips. I now can taste a little bit of spiciness, but it's not like everything else. It's overpowering. All right, that's it for now. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. It is 8:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The door's open. Fluffy's in the kitchen. I'm going to show you what I got for Fluffy in a minute. Out of my credit card funds, no donated funds. You were paid for this item, but Fluffy likes to lie on the black carpet in the hallway and the blue carpet, the floor rug, and the. He's wondering what I'm doing. He's looking at me, staring at me. Probably thinks it's dinner time, which it is. And at night when the lights are off, I've stepped on him twice. Can't see him. And tomorrow the other thing that goes with this will come. So I will show you that tomorrow. And it's very interesting. I'm going to set that up, and then I will be able to see the fluff and will not step on him, will not scare him. But when I have to go to the bathroom, I am running to the bathroom sometimes, and it gets in the way. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.